Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. English Speaking Course, Day 7 Notes. Objective: learn and practice modal verbs to express ability, possibility, permission, and necessity. Use modals like can, could, may, might, must, should, shall, will, would in daily conversations. 1. Warm-up activity. Review Day 6. Ask students to share sentences about their future plans using will and going to. 2. What are modal verbs? Explain. Modal verbs are helping verbs that show possibility, ability, permission, or necessity. They are always followed by the base form of the verb. Examples: 1. I can swim. 2. You should study. 3. May I come in? 3. Common modal verbs and their uses. Modal verb. Use. Example: can. Ability/permission. I can speak English. Could. Past ability/polite request. Could you help me? May. Permission/possibility. May I use your pen? Might. Possibility. It might rain today. Must. Necessity/strong advice. You must wear a helmet. Should. Advice. You should exercise daily. Shall. Suggestion, formal. Shall we go to the park? Will. Future actions. I will call you tomorrow. Would. Politeness/imaginary situations. I would like some coffee. 4. Positive and negative sentences. Explain how to use modals in both forms. Positive sentence: I can drive a car. She might come to the party. Negative sentence: I cannot, can't, drive a car. She might not come to the party. 5. Asking questions with modals. Explain the structure. Modal plus subject plus base verb. Examples: 1. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. No, I can't. 2. Should I bring my book? Yes, you should. No, you shouldn't. Activity: pair students and ask them to practice questions using modals. 6. Speaking practice. Provide scenarios and ask students to use modals in their answers. Scenario 1. Teacher, you are planning to go on a trip. What will you do? Student, I will pack my bags. I might visit a hill station. Scenario 2. Teacher, your friend wants advice on studying. What will you say? Student, you should study 2 hours daily. You must not waste time on games. 7. Group activity, modal role play. Divide the class into small groups. Assign roles, e.g., teacher, student, shopkeeper, customer, and ask students to create conversations using modals. Example: Customer, may I have a cup of tea? Shopkeeper, yes, you can. It will be ready in 2 minutes. 8. Homework. Write 5 sentences using different modals. Examples. 1. I can play the guitar. 2. You should drink more water. 3. She might visit us tomorrow. 4. We must follow the rules. 5. Could you pass me the salt? End the class. Well done. Keep practicing modal verbs to improve your conversations. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.